dy by dx of under root cos root x, dy by dx of under root cos root x. There are three functions. First one is the root, second one is the cos, third one is the root. First write the derivative of this one. First root. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root cos root x. First root is over. Derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x equal to minus sin x. Minus sin x. This part is also over. Derivative of root x. 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. So, derivative of the first root 1 by 2 root x. This root is over. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of the cos function is over. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Another problem, d by dx of sin x plus cos x by under root 1 plus sin 2x. Given answers are 1, 0, 1, 0, minus 1 and 2. So we first simplify given function. So first simplify this one. Write this one in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. d by dx of sin x plus cos x by under root sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta sin 2a 2 sin a cos a. Observe the denominator a square plus b square plus 2a b. So this is a plus b whole square. d by dx of sin x plus cos x by under root sin x plus cos x whole square. Root to square cancel. Root to square cancel. d by dx of sin x plus cos x by sin x plus cos x. So derivative of any individual constant is 0. Is 0. Sin square theta plus cos square theta 2 sin a cos a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, root to square cancel. Both numerator and denominator are equal, cancel. Derivative of any constant equal to 0. Next. d by dy equal to log base 2 log x base 2. Then find dy by dx. Then find dy by dx. Y equal to log of log x base 2 by log 2. This 2 is log 2. That is the logarithm formula. Logarithm formula. Next, 1 by log 2. Similarly, write log x base 2. Log x by log 2. This is in the form of log m by n. Log m by n formula. Log m minus log n. 1 by log 2. Log of log x minus log of log 2. Log m by n. Log m minus log n. So this is the simplification of the given problem. Therefore, dy by dx 1 by log 2, this one. Derivative of the first log. Derivative of log x equal to 1 by x. So derivative of the first log is over. Derivative of log x 1 by x minus, this is the individual constant. Derivative of any constant equal 0. So 1 by x log 2 x log x into log 2. Next, y equal to e power x into x minus 1 by x whole cube. So there are two functions multiply each other. This is exponential function, algebraic function. So let it be u. This is v. dy by dx u dash v plus v dash u. U dash e power x dash x minus 1 by x whole cube. V dash x minus 1 by x whole cube dash e power x. So there is derivative symbol. So take derivative formula. Derivative of e power x equal to e power x. X minus 1 by x whole cube. Next one. Observe v dash. There are two functions. Number one, power function. So write the derivative of the power function. X into 1 minus x whole power 3 minus 1. This is the derivative of the power function n, x power n minus 1. Internal derivative, x derivative 1 minus derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square minus 1 by x square. So there is a derivative symbol. Derivative of e power x equal to e power x. Derivative of power function n into x power n minus 1 derivative of the internal function, derivative of x value 1 minus derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. From these two, take x minus 1 by x whole square common. X minus 1 by x whole square common. So x minus 1 by x whole square common. E power x into x minus 1 by x. This is the common term. Plus 3 into 1 plus 1 by x square. 1 by 1 plus x square